Welcome to my lessons. This is Muhammad Ramajan Ali, Department of English, Queen's School and College. Dear learners, today we'll talk about a very important grammatical item and it is connector. I have designed these lessons specially for secondary and higher secondary levels. Dear students, this is very important grammatical item today, and this is connectors. I talked about you before, and this connectors has got some synonyms: connectors, linkers, conjunctions, cohesions, cohesive devices, linking words, discourse markers. So students, what is a linker or what is a connector? A linker is a word which connects or links two sentences, two words, or two ideas. And these linkers or connectors can be divided into two: conjunctions and connectors. Conjunctions and connectors. So there is a difference between the conjunctions and the connectors. Conjunctions are used at the middle of the sentences and the beginning of the sentences. On the other hand, connectors are used to add two different sentences, two separate sentences. There are some examples of conjunctions. So, subordinating conjunctions. When I was 5, I went to a primary school. Here, when is a subordinating conjunctions. The second example, Mina did not go to school because she was sick. Because is another subordinating conjunctions, and this is used at the middle of the sentences. And here we have seen at first the first sentence when is a subordinating conjunction, and this is used at the beginning of the sentences. And now the example of connectors. Tom was brilliant. Besides, she took the first place. Here, beside is a connector. And we have seen the Tom was brilliant is a separate sentence, and he took the first place. And this he took the first place, the second sentence, and we have added with the first one. So two different sentences. Another example, Bob was rich, however, he was miser. However is another connector, and it has added two separate or different sentences. Now we'll talk about the conjunctions. So conjunctions can be divided into three. Number one, subordinating conjunctions. Number two, coordinating conjunctions. Number three, correlative conjunctions. Now we'll have some idea about subordinating conjunctions. What, which, where, when, whenever, whatever, who, whose, since, as, for, because, till, until, before, after, though, although, even though, lest, provided that, if, as if, even if, that, so that, less, unless, etc. These subordinating conjunctions are used in complex sentences. Students, we have already got some idea about the subordinating conjunctions, the uses of subordinating conjunctions. We use the subordinating conjunctions in the complex sentences, and it is used at the middle of the sentences and at the beginning of the sentences. For example, though he went to England, he did not meet his friends. So though is a subordinating conjunctions, and it is used at the beginning of the sentences. Another example we see, if you come to college, you will get a good score. If is another subordinating conjunctions. Next, we have another important conjunction, and this is coordinating conjunctions. And students, you remember the coordinating conjunctions, they are used in a compound sentence, and you remember an acronym fanboys, FANBOYS, and the abbreviation of fanboys is F for, A for and, N for nor, B for Bert, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. These seven coordinating conjunctions, and these seven coordinating conjunctions are important for making sentences, for connecting sentences. For example, Bob is rich, Bert, he is miser. Here, Bert is coordinating conjunctions. Another example, Kate went to England and visited Oxford, and is another coordinating conjunctions. And remember, students, all the time we use the coordinating conjunctions at the middle of the sentences. The next conjunction is correlative conjunctions. What is a correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunction, co means two. Two conjunctions are used together. For example, either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. These are correlative conjunctions. For example, Milton is not only a good student but also a good player. Here, these two conjunctions, not only and but also, we have used in the sentence, and these two conjunctions together, this is a correlative conjunctions. The second example, he will neither eat meal nor go to school. Neither and nor. These two conjunctions, these are correlative conjunctions. Dear students, we have completed the uses of conjunctions today and set some exercises for you. Try it first yourself and check the answer at the end of these lessons. We'll talk about the rest part of this grammatical item in the next class. Till then, have a very good day. Stay home and be safe. Thank you very much. Thank you all.